A Platonic solid is a regular 3D object with equal number of faces meeting at every vertex. There are just 5 Platonic solids in the entire universe. They are the tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and an icosahedron. A tetrahedron has 3 triangles meeting at every vertex. A cube has 3 squares meeting at every vertex. An octahedron has 4 triangles meeting at every vertex. A dodecahedron has 3 pentagons meeting at every vertex. An icosahedron has 5 triangles meeting at every vertex. Here's an attempt to make these Platonic solids using magnetic sticks. Making a dodecahedron is extremely hard because it sort of falls on itself using the magnetic sticks.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do 4 shapes, and those are the Platonic Solid. Is very hard, except this one. So I might do it with my dad anytime, but I'm not doing it. So let's get started. So the first one we're reviewing is the icosahedron, and then octahedron, and then cube, and then tetrahedron. Let's go and start. So for an icosahedron, you need 9 triangles in a row. 9 triangles in a row. Let me do that. One, 2, triangles in a row. So there are 9 triangles on this side, on this side, on the down case, and we need to take a marble off. And don't lay it flat now, because this is the sides of the icosahedron. I'm taking one marble off, and then now you make it round and then connect it, and then it should be something like this. Yeah, something like this, and it looks like a crown, and then there's going to be an open side here. Cover it, and then once you're this is the sides of the icosahedron. Now you're doing the top and the bottom. So first I'm going to do the top, but I'm scared of when if I'm showing it in the beach, because it can break. So that's why I'm going to do it on the ground and then show how it looks like in the up. Yeah. This is how a side looks like this. 5 triangles. Now you need to do that on the other side also. Okay, so this is icosahedron. Now for icosahedron, at each vertex, 5 triangles are meeting like this side. And then now we're doing a cube. I'm sure if your dad and mom are helping you, they know all of these shapes. So let's get started with the cube. So for a cube, we need 2 L's like this. First we need 2 L's. We're making a square first. And then once you're done with the squares on each side of the marble, you connect a top. You put a top like a spike like this. And then you do that for the other 2 sides also. And then put a put a marble on each one. Whoa. This is like so now I got 4 of them. In between those two, you connect them with one and then you do it for all of the sides to sync. See, like this. Oh. Now let's break it, and then now we're doing a octahedron. 4 sides and 1 square basically. I don't know if they're really a square or not. So this is how it looks like. Put marbles again and then connect it. It should look like this, something like. Yep. This is how it looks like.
Bottom also.
I'm doing the bottom also. That's what my dad, I think that's my dad. I don't know what you guys will think. It looks like a diamond because but regularly if you draw it on a piece of paper, it needs to be more longer. Now we're doing a tetrahedron. A tetrahedron, we actually made a lamp, and then when I was making the lamp, when we made a lamp, now I was thinking of showing it in the video. It's literally like tetrahedrons are old lamps, but that's lost, and then now I'm like, yeah. So that's for the first. You need to make a triangle. I'm sure you know how to draw a triangle. Just make that triangle, and then put a top on, like three magnets, which are like they go like this, connecting at the top. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so our 4 shapes are done. Maybe do a tetrahedron later. So you guys can go ahead and practice it anytime. I'm using magnetic sticks. You guys can use magnetic formers or any magnets like that. I have 2 other kinds of magnet formers, and there's another one, I forgot its name. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button. Okay, bye bye.